Hey everyone, welcome back to Grid Questions. Today I've got two super simple steps to make your PC or laptop run faster. And you don't need any extra software or complicated tricks. Let's dive right in. Temporary files are created by your system and applications to store temporary data. These files can build up and take up space, slowing down your computer. Deleting them is a quick and safe way to boost your PC's performance. First, let's open the temp folder. Here's how you do it. Press the Windows plus R keys on your keyboard. In the Run dialog box that pops up, type %temp% and press Enter. Now you'll see a folder filled with files and folders. These are the temporary files created by your system and apps. To select all files, press Ctrl+A on your keyboard. Once everything is selected, press the Delete key on your keyboard. A prompt might appear asking for administrator permission. Just click Yes or Continue. Some files may still be in use by the system or other programs. When this happens, simply click Skip to bypass those files. Don't worry, these are safe to leave as they'll be deleted automatically when they're no longer needed. And that's it. You've successfully cleaned up your temp folder. To keep your PC running smoothly, I recommend doing this at least once a month. It's a simple habit that can save you storage space and help maintain your system's speed. It's a tool that comes with Windows to help you safely remove unnecessary files like temporary files, system cache, recycle bin contents, and even outdated system updates. This is perfect for freeing up space and keeping your PC running efficiently. First, let's open Disk Cleanup. Press the Windows key on your keyboard and search for Disk Cleanup. Click on the result to open the tool. Next, select the drive you want to clean up, usually the C drive where your system files are stored. Click OK. Disk Cleanup will analyze the drive and show you a list of file types you can safely delete. This might take a few seconds depending on your system. Now, check the boxes next to the file categories you want to clean up. Common options include temporary internet files, recycle bin, and temporary files. Once you've made your selections, click OK. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete these files. Just click Delete Files, and Disk Cleanup will take care of the rest. For even more space, you can use the Cleanup System Files option in Disk Cleanup. This will include additional items like outdated Windows updates. Just click the button and follow the same steps to delete these files safely. And there you have it. Clean and efficient way to free up space on your computer. Regularly running Disk Cleanup can keep your PC running smoothly and help prevent low storage issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Grid Questions for more PC tips and tricks. Got any questions or topics you'd like me to cover? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.